So I don't want you to pitch it to anybody. First, I want you to start believing in it. When you will experience it, when I saw R360, I was excited as much as I said, this is amazing. Or whatever I found when I saw Top Vision, I started liking it. I started believing in. And then when I'm saying about it very gently, because people are always afraid now, what is he going to pitch to me? Why is he calling me for coffee? What is his intention? Everybody, even you, even me, are always wanting that guard to be there. And because we are all experiencing that the moment on Skype or in Facebook or on LinkedIn anybody makes a friendship, the next statement is going to say is that now I have an agenda, please join me, I need people. You do anything from need, you're going to fail. You don't need anybody. It's beautiful and you're excited enough, enthusiastic enough to share it, because whatever you have liked in life, whether you had a lovely dish or a lovely restaurant experience or a great movie, whatever you want to share it, because whom you love and whom you care for, you want him to enjoy that same experience. That attitude really has to be innate in you as a nature, second nature. And then when you talk, people will not say I don't want to do network, they want to connect, they want to have a reason to work with Vijay Suri. These are all excuses that now I enjoy, and from your heart, not genuine, the artificial lip service. I really want a reason to work as a team with Rajesh or with Sunil or with Vijayji. And Vijayji, why did you join my Top Vision when you already had two accounts? Because the motivation was that Pankaj is doing it very nicely. I want to, so you came
Right,
all the way. I really appreciate that.
right,
That I want to join in your team, and I'm willing to buy another account. Now that is an illustration how I sold myself, how I elevated myself in your mind's image. And that is
hmm,
what we are working on. And why I like to do network marketing is we are improving ourselves, not to be pitching anybody for some need that we have, but for genuinely sharing all the good things that have come in our life. And when you are known as such a person, people are interested. And it's really not about network marketing, and it really works, because I have done my research that the amount of income that you can get without doing anything is far better overriding than what you are doing or what I am doing in whatever we are trying to succeed and earn that 5 lakhs a month. But it's an uphill task. Because why it is an uphill task? That means it's a signal that we are not good people, good human beings. So that is all the more reasons for me to become more successful and get a positive response. I am not going to pitch again to Rajesh, because I want him to wholeheartedly do it, because if he does it just as an obligation for me, it is going to start a very bad relationship. He will not succeed. He will carry it in his mind that yaar iski wajah se mere ko ye karna pada, and he will not tell people because he is not excited like me. So I really don't want Rajesh. I'm just giving as an example. You should not want somebody to be forced into something which is not in his nature. But definitely you can find three people who want to find a vehicle, who want an opportunity, who want a good product, a good compensation plan, and you can find those three people. Then they have to find. That's why network marketing is only not selling to thousands of people. That will happen. Thousands and millions will come through the duplication leverage effect. You find three people and work constantly with those three people to help them find their three people, and that goes on. That is the secret of network marketing. Please, everybody has full right to blow holes in what I'm saying, but I'm saying what I believe in. I may be wrong still, but I think that if we understand this concept of network marketing, anybody can find three people who are people trust. I mean, if you can't find two or three people who have respect for you, who you can influence, that's why I will tell my person first only, I am underwriting your risk. They say within 3 weeks you should be able to get 1 lakh. I say you are a dubbo. I don't I don't subscribe to you being smart to get it in 3 weeks. You won't work fast. I sent that message. Success like speed. But we don't believe in speed. We are so slow to implement what we have in our mind. So 3 months, fine. 3 months, nahi. I am saying, can you give yourself 1 year? What will 1 year mean as cost? 1 year will mean 500 into 12, 6,000 rupees. Vijay Saab, 6,000 rupees I am keeping in a escrow account or in a bank separate. After 1 year, if you don't do as a teamwork with me and if you have lost money, you can take that 6,000 12 months ka subscription from me. If I'll be very rich enough very soon, which I will be, I will say, come on, I am paying your monthly subscription because I know you have the potential. Only I'm requesting you to work as a teamwork with me. Because if you're not going to work as a teamwork, if Rajesh is going to join and he's not going to be giving time or devotion or thinking about ILA, and he's busy with his Ahmedabad and his R3 Interactive, and he's going to struggle with his stock because we're doing so many things, then he's not going to succeed, because it doesn't stop by just paying that 500 rupees. Then I want his 1 hour. Then I'll ask the next question. Sunil, can you come on now? Because we have Google Hangout, it's easy. I don't have to meet you personally. I know that 1 hour will be difficult. But because I'm encouraged to do network marketing, because this is a beautiful way, we have a team and we can spend that 1 hour from our bedroom and help each other with these ideas where we are going wrong. Because as a teamwork, we are one company. Okay? You can imagine what we can blow up. So
Right.
till we settle down, till Sunil really gets involved with ILE like I've got involved, till Vijay Suri really decides from his heart. Because Bob Reiner said one thing which I've carved in my heart: when the business goes from your head to your heart, then only success starts. You have to speak from your heart. You have to believe in it, and people can catch whether you're speaking from a mind, a need position that I need. Don't tell yourself that I need one more customer in my ILA. I have to make those 3 people. No, I don't want those. Let them come. But I really want to help someone. These small changes, huh? When you're thinking all the time, every minute, your vibration in your mind, in your heart, the feeling, the bhav, see which you're living. Whom can I help today? I am seeing that neighbor of mine catching at 8 o'clock bus and coming back, and her daughter is not getting her mother's. I am seeing my neighbor struggling, very talented people. I say, hey, let me start something for you. Let me give you a new direction. Do that along with your job. I will support you. I will make it a success for you. And this, when you're saying it, it should not be lip service. It should come with that intention that I am seeing Rajesh, he's making, chalo, I'm putting a challenge. Rajesh, you're making 10 lakhs a month. I do not know how much you're making in the hard way you're working. For that, what you're working, I believe, and if I know that Rajesh, if I can open his mind to doing something slowly, slowly, and then as he sees the results, he will get more into this and less into the traditional work. And then Rajesh, after 2 years, like you, your insurance advisor, to force you to take that insurance policy, is actually an angel doing a hard job for you. I mean, those are the real insurance agents. You want to run away from them. You don't want that. But like a father wants to send his son to the school and she's crying, and you force her, pataw her, and say, no, you got, because why, you're a father, you feel that she will go to school regularly and be a bright student that will change her life. That same way, fatherly feeling, whom you will approach to, that I know it is fantastic. You are getting personal development which you need. You don't know that you need it. You say, I don't need it. You don't know, 1 or 2 videos have changed my life. I realized that one little thing, you have not experienced it, so you will take the free. Don't, I don't want you to join right now. I want you to enjoy the free videos, because every week the video comes is mind blowing, and you try to bring it. It's so inspirational the way they say it, that it will touch your heart and you will remember it, and you will try to bring it in your pattern of activities or in your behavior pattern, and you will see the benefit. Now you tell me that if it's going to be a big benefit, you'll make one more deal in real estate. I'll make 1 more lakh because it has changed my, so many small things which we all know, but somebody tells you in an inspirational, motivational way, and you repeatedly remind yourself. I think that itself is worth the 500 rupees every month that I'm giving 6,000 rupees a year. I mean, people spend 6 lakhs to go to Stanford to become a better human being, to have polish, and those polish. Just look at it this way with imagination. And then if I think that I want to share this with that same lovingness with somebody who I care for, my friends. Now, if you're a person who don't care for people, then it's a different thing. Always you're in need and you're always.
Right, sir. Achha, now
So,
I want to do one thing after listening you.
slowly, because I know now what I'm trying to do. Why I'm trying to do, just one more point I'll make. My intention is that now Talk Fusion, we have got our feet into it. We are now knee deep into it, and suddenly this company has brought this 2,000 rupees. At the back of my mind is hitting me. Okay, now it's happening to you also. You have not benefited. When you're not earning from it, it's going to pinch you to pay that 2,000. So what you will do, you will stop it. That's bad. When you stop it, you are known for it and you're stopping it because you can't afford it. I want to make that happen, that you can afford it. That's what I told Kohli Rana, because he came to me for that question. Pankaj, are you going to continue at this 2,300 rupees a month? I said I have found a way. What we will do, we will earn big money from ILA, which is just 500, which is easier to sell than 20,000 rupees upfront, which we could not find anybody willing to pay. I'm sure I'll get someone and I'll earn that money, and I'll subsidize. I'll keep continuing my Talk Vision because I don't want to stop it. One day it will become great for me. It may take time. So now to be able to afford and sustain that, I'm doing this ILA. Maybe I will, in the process, I will get more into ILA and I will have two businesses running. So what? Doesn't matter. Now you have put 20,000 rupees, Vijay. You are going to continue it. I'm giving you a device that we are doing Google Hangout as a base office, and I will make it affordable. 500 rupees. समझो कि कुछ नहीं आने वाला है. Don't have any expectation. 12 महीने कुछ नहीं आने वाला. Only you're going to enjoy the videos. 6,000 रुपए गए ना एक साल में. 10, 12, 15,000 तो आएगा ना, लाख रुपए नहीं आएगा तो साल में. So you're not going to lose. You're going to have an ROI. Just do it casually, because I'm not asking you 6 lakhs. I'm not asking you 50,000. I'm not asking you 2 lakhs. I'm not asking you down payment. Just start with a subscription of 500 rupees, which has a possibility, a potential to earn money.
Yeah.
Where is it something for people? If still somebody says no, then I don't want to keep talking to him. I'll find somebody else who thinks like me. So the whole idea of this Google Hangouts is to understand why you are not getting success to me, or why Vijay is not getting success. There is something wrong with the way we are pitching it. So there is that audio I will send to all of you, which is amazing. They have sent me that you should not put people on the hook. I shared it with Rajesh when Sunil was out of the Hangout for some reason. Rajesh, you remember? It's a permissive way. We make a very big mistake. We jump onto that person by saying, now you got to look at this. He'll mentally say, no, now I'm getting trapped in something. No. Do you have a few minutes, or can I show you something? I'm working on an app with my global partners. I want your feedback, or I want him to give me positive response. Can you spare 5 minutes to watch a video? He will say yes. Have you heard of a company called ILA? Don't tell him there's a company called ILA. Have you heard? Obviously, he's going to say no, because there's no danger for him to answer that question. See, people are afraid of answering question because they are seeing that they're walking into a trap. So remove that fear of theirs. Fine. Would you, if I show you, would you spare 5 minutes to see a video? Let the product prove itself. He'll say, no, tell me what it is. No, I'm not going to. Then I don't send him the link. Send me the link. No. Can we share the link together on a Google Hangout? I want his reactions at that time. What do you feel?
Pankaj, can I say something?
Yes, please say.
After listening your, very nice, you can say, live video.
No, you
live video. Just listen what I want to say. Correct. I want to meet Mr. Sunil tomorrow. Is it possible, yeah. Sunil ji?
Yes.
Later in the evening, because morning I'm going for
in the evening only. You tell me the time. I'll come to you and want to see and discuss this person.
Oh yes.
And I hope you are totally very much clear of this idea.
He knows it very well. He is seeing all the videos. He's seeing.
Okay. Then
in fact, I'm very happy. I want to share something with you. I was myself pleasantly surprised. He was so enthusiastic. He joined immediately. Within the next few minutes, I sent him the link. But I was surprised. He didn't tell me. He got his wife to sign up under him. I said, why did you do that? You have not yet felt the experience of it. No, she will do it big way and she should earn her own money. Can you believe that much commitment and feeling he has? I said, I'm not talking to a wrong person. I want to tell you one thing. Don't get into it because of your respect for Pankaj Sampath. Even Rajesh, I'm telling again and again. But if you I'm sharing a vision with you that if you feel that we are going to have something common to work together, because we all really work collaboratively very well, and R3 Interactive is going to be there, but it's a traditional business. I want something in between us where I can leverage on Rajesh's influence, on Sunilji's influence. He has a vast influence because of his 35 years in 40 years in Air India, or his wife's big international fame. I mean, these are all, everybody has an influence. Somewhere we have done some good work in life, and some neighbor remembers us for one small things. And everybody needs a good way to earn money from home. Life is getting more tougher. The vegetables are costing 80 rupees and it's hitting me every day. And I tell myself I have to make more money now. The government is not going to change the cost index. Rupee is become 61 today, 61.10. So the only solution is to earn more money, make ourselves more professional. In the whole process, Vijayji, I want to tell you, you are not doing ILA. You are getting an opportunity to learn and develop your skills, your attitude, your speaking skills, or whatever, which is priceless.
Right.
And the same thing. So this is just a excuse. If you feel that Oli Rana said, I want to do ILA, a lot of people from America have been telling me, but I want to do it with you. Now that was big marks for me because he wants to do something with me. So I want you to talk to people who have that kind of value for you as a person, like Rajesh has for me and I have for Rajesh. It will work fantastic as a teamwork. Nothing can be achieved alone. These are the more important substances of ILA. Okay, ILA is a fantastic product. I cannot show you. I can, at the most, you don't do it. I will do some indirect way of capturing and illegally send it to you. So you will get the product to enjoy. Or anyway, that is different. But I think that this is a very low risk and definitely a guaranteed way to make money. This company, I have done a lot of research. As the guy who is now mentoring in this, he's got 40,000 people and he speaks so well. Bob Rana, if you believe, says some very interesting ways to succeed. See, in Talk Vision, nobody is succeeding. There are 1,000 people who are the blue diamonds, but the 20,000 people who are not succeeding. So that is always there. It's not that